When you are running, how do you record the rest time between one set and another? Do you directly press pause? Or use the lap button to mark your rest? Have you ever been unable to tell which interval is the rest time on the Garmin Connect mobile app? Now the Garmin watch provides another option. Lap plus rest in Ultra Run activity to help you mark your rest time. This new function allows you to switch to the rest mode while taking rests in the middle of training or competition. When you start to run again, you can press the lap button to switch back to the running mode. Ultra Run activity is not only for the marathon. It can also be used in daily interval training. First, select Ultra Run activity. Press Start button. Press and hold button to select Ultra Run settings. Scroll down to Lap key. Select Lap plus Rest or Rest only. In this video, we use the Lap plus Rest. Now we are all done to set up your Ultra Run mode. Back to the Ultra Run activity. Press the Start button. Press any button to go to the next screen. You can see other data pages. Press the Lap button to enter the rest mode. To exit the rest mode, press the Lap button again. Then it will resume the activity page and continue to lap again. Press the Start button to end the activity. Here, saving activity. Press the Start button to view the menu. Select All Stats. Here, you can scroll through the list of stats, including the rest time. Select Laps to view each lap details. Select Active Rest to view every lap's data and rest time. Select Rest Lap to view more details. Note, the resting lap only shows the number of rest and the average heart rate. With the record of your rest information, you can plan your training more precisely and efficiently. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.